Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets. To begin, open your Google Sheets file so you are looking at the spreadsheet where you want to add more rows. This method is useful anytime you need extra space in the middle of your sheet, whether you are organizing data, adding new entries, or adjusting a template. Before making changes, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm you are in the correct sheet tab and looking at the area where the new rows should go. Once the spreadsheet is open, move your attention to the far left side of the sheet, where the row numbers appear. These numbers help you identify each horizontal row. To insert multiple rows, you will start by highlighting the sample number on the left. In other words, click the row number for the row near where you want the new rows to be added. Selecting the row number rather than a single cell tells Google Sheets that you want to work with the entire row. After the row number is highlighted, the next step is to right-click directly on that highlighted number. This opens a shortcut menu with several row-related options. If you are using a trackpad or device without a traditional right mouse button, you can usually do this with a two-finger click or by holding the appropriate key while clicking, depending on your device settings. In the menu that appears, click the option to insert a row. Google Sheets will then add a new row in relation to the row you selected. This is the core action that creates additional space in your spreadsheet. If your goal is to insert multiple rows, this same process is based on the row selection on the left, so make sure you are focused on the correct row area before using the Insert option. This helps keep your sheet organized and ensures new rows appear where you expect them. As a helpful tip, inserting rows from the row numbers on the left is often faster and more precise than trying to rearrange information afterward. It also helps preserve the structure of your data, especially if you are working with labeled sections or grouped content. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, highlight the row number on the left, right-click the highlighted number, and choose the Insert Row option. With just a few clicks, you can quickly create the extra room you need in Google Sheets.